So I just finished excavating with the 1.5 ton. Made a wall along the front entrance, except for the 2 driveways, approximately 11 feet wide. Maybe I'll put like a gate, some fencing. I dug a trench from the back to the front and then along the front and heading south here. Hope to put a culvert in this driveway. French drain with 3/4 inch rock under geotextile fabric. See the puddles of water. Stump grinder works great. Extremely hard to handle though. So here's the drain that goes down the middle to the front. I used the excavator to clear most of the front, to put the sawmill, maybe move the tiny home there. Here's where the addition goes. I dug around this stump I started with the grinder. Dug up all this, it's all soft, got the roots out. Some good sand here I can sift through, get rid of the roots. Got to get rid of these 2 trees, and then I'll make the addition another 40 by 16 feet before winter. But the plan is eventually 64. And then here's the trench to the well. Septic field will be at the front, about 150 feet away, and probably built up with lots of sand and material because the water table is quite high in the springtime. But that's it.